What's up, guys? It's AJ from AJ Eats LA. I'm gonna do something a little differently today because we, just to give you a little update, we have moved to Redondo Beach and we are currently just getting settled into the house, and we have a wood burning fireplace, and we ordered, you have to get your fireplace gear, the rack, the sweep, the poker log, all that stuff. But we got a new rack, and it came with instructions that were a bit confusing. So I wanted to make a video so maybe I can help other people, figure this out. So first off, let me show you the rack. I'm gonna put this down. It's nice and heavy. It goes into the fireplace and it holds the logs, right? So pretty basic thing, right? Basic stuff. Nice and heavy, solid. It's gonna hold a lot of logs. We'll get some good use out of it. But the instructions were incredibly confusing. So let me flip the camera around. Instructions that came with the safety information. Now look at the how to use. You guys reading this? Place the fire grate into fireplace as illustrated. Place logs on top of fire grate. All right, let's see if I can do it. Okay, got the fire grate, baby. Let's go. Let's see if we can do this. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. All right, okay, now we're at the fireplace by Anna. We have the fire grate. There's our fireplace fire grate. So remembering the picture, we had to up and over and no, maybe no, that doesn't seem to there. Is that? I guess that's gonna have to do it. So let me know. We got the logs. See if the log fits on there, maybe. I don't know, but leave a comment. Let me know if you guys need more details. What else we can do? What do you think, Zoe? Is that hot? Again, AJ Eats LA, doing something a little different, trying to get the house squared away, and we got the fire log in, fire grate.